Now we'll see example 12.6. The question is, a wire of given material of length L and area of cross section A has a resistance of 4 ohm. What would be the resistance of another wire of the same material having length L by 2 and area of cross section as 2A? Now observe. Let's say, according to the given data, the first conductor is having a resistance of 4 ohm, the length is L and the area of cross section is A. So R1 is 4 ohm, L1 is L and area of cross section is A. Now, according to the second condition, the length of the wire has got decreased by 2 and the area has got increased by a factor of 2. Now we need to find what is the resistance of this material. So resistance is to be found. Now the length is L by 2 and the area of cross section is 2A. We know the formula R is equal to rho into L divided by A. So what is R1? So R1 is rho into L1 by A1, R2 is equal to rho into L2 by A2. I didn't write it as rho 1 and rho 2 because of the fact that they both are made up of the same material. Okay. Now for these kind of problems, you need to divide the unknown quantity with the known quantity. So when you do R2 by R1 on the left hand side, R2 is rho into L2 by A2 and R1 is rho into L1 by A1. So rho and rho will get cancelled. L2 is going to be L by 2 and A2 is going to be 2A. L1 is going to be L and A1 is going to be A. So R2 by 4 will be equal to, why I wrote R2 by 4 is because R2 divided by R1 is going to be 4 ohm. Then L and L will get cancelled, A and A will get cancelled. So the right hand side that is left out is 1 by 4. So R2 will be equal to 1 ohm. So as we discussed previously, if the length of the wire is decreasing and the area of cross section is increasing, what will happen is the resistance will decrease. That is why if you observe, initially it was 4 ohm, now it has become 1 ohm. Sometimes what they will ask is, they will ask you what is the change in resistance. So change in any value is always final value minus initial value. So the final value is 1 ohm, initial value is 4 ohm. So the answer comes out as minus 3 ohm. So the minus sign here indicates that there is a decrease in value. A decrease of how much value? It is 3 ohm.